Hi everyone, hope you're doing well. Just wanted to share a new clay pot recipe with you. It's called pepper chicken in a clay pot, and I'll be making it with only 10 ingredients. To begin, we need 3 pounds of chicken boneless thighs cut into 4 pieces. So each thigh cut into 4 pieces, and you can use regular pot if you want. I wanted to try it in a clay pot. And I start by stir frying the chicken pieces in 4 tablespoons of any oil, olive oil, canola oil, vegetable oil. And once I feel the chicken is starting to turn brown or change color like that, I will add 1.5 or 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. It's up to you if you want to use fresh crushed ginger garlic. You can do that, or you can use the paste. And also I added about 8 green chilies. These I'm adding for the spicy flavor. If you don't want it too spicy, you can take out the chilies from this recipe. I used Thai chilies and they were very spicy, but again, if you don't want it too spicy, don't add the green chilies. And then I continue stirring and cooking the chicken until it was about dry. So again, because thighs have more water, it took me a little bit longer to get rid of all the water or the broth, even though I was cooking it on high flame. And then you add about 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. Just 2 tablespoons should be enough. And again, just stir fry until you see that the gravy is almost gone. And at this point, I'll add 1 tablespoon of crushed black pepper. Again, don't use the powder pepper because it would just give it a very dark color. What you want to do is you want to use the crushed black pepper. So about a tablespoon, it should be plenty, but again, if you don't want it too spicy, you can add less. You can maybe use about a teaspoon, and then continue stirring and add 1.5 cup of 2% yogurt. I like using 2% yogurt here in Canada because I find it gives it like a nice tangy flavor when you're using curries. If I use whole or 3.25 or a Greek yogurt, I find the curries tend to be a little bit sweeter, and the curries always taste better when they're a bit tangy. So again, I started cooking the chicken. Because it was thighs, I find it stayed nicely without shredding. Or you can use chicken breast pieces. I think those would work fine as well. And then I add 1 tablespoon of pink salt. You can use any salt you prefer. Again, just cooking until the curry is starting to look creamy rather than very watery. And yeah, so I cook all the way on high flame, and you can see I still have a bit of gravy there. While it's at that stage, I added half a cup of crushed fried onions, and about a half cup of fresh chopped coriander, and a tablespoon of garam masala. Very creamy. Again, if you follow the recipe exactly, and even if you cook it in a regular pot, I'm sure you would have great results. We had it with naan or roti. You can try with rice. I'm sure it would taste fine. You don't want the gravy to be thinner than that. It was a very creamy result, like with the gravy. So I think this would be the ideal way of making this. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this new recipe, and if you want more clay pot recipes, you can find them at the bottom. I will add the links. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel and take care.